was pretty...
Exercise. You don't have to get carried away. You don't have to get violent. You broke my knuckle, you big fat bloody bastard.
Sorry.
Get off me! You've gone insane. You're out of control.
I was just trying to release my inner warrior.
Well, you didn't release your inner warrior. You released your inner dickwit.